Hey everyone, how are you doing today? It's Marla. Hopefully everyone is doing well. This is going to be a collective haul, my first kind of collective haul for 2018. A lot of the products that I bought in this video are products that I've used before, ran out of, and now are repurchasing to kind of replenish the supply I have. Most of the products I'm showing you here in this video I bought myself. If there is something that I did not purchase myself, I will definitely note it or say it in the video. Let's get started. This is kind of a mishmash of things. Some facial cleansing wipes, some lip products, anti-aging products, masks, tooth whitening powder that I absolutely love, stuff like that. Let's get started in this video, and I also will do an outfit of the day at the end of this video. Okay, here is my stash in my box that I just ordered. I ordered another box of the Maskology's Collagen Hydrogel masks. I really like these hydrogel masks. I really feel that they plump my skin. I have the eye patches that go under the eyes also. But I really enjoy these masks. They're inexpensive. They make my skin feel good afterwards, and that was an order I placed from Maskology. I'm not going to demonstrate this mask in this video because I've done it before on my channel, but I will put the link to the demonstration of this mask down in the description box in case someone wants to see this mask in action. Another box of masks that I bought was from Morgan Miller. This is the vitamin C and ginseng masks. I originally was introduced to these through Octoly, fell in love with them, and decided to make a purchase myself. And again, if you're interested in seeing this mask in action, I will link that video in the description box. These are really nice masks. They smell almost citrusy and make my skin feel so good after I use them. Oh, another thing I purchased, I got these off of Amazon. These are Morgan Miller's wipes. They're makeup remover wipes, but I really use them as cleansing wipes. This is the facial cleansing wipes that has vitamin C in it. I also have the charcoal and green tea wipes. I have the avocado wipes, but I decided to purchase another box of the vitamin C wipes and try them out, and also the rose and chamomile wipes. These are some of the nicest wipes I've ever used. I love the packaging. It has a closure that snaps shut so they don't dry out. They're very wet, and they're great for cleansing your face in the morning if you don't want to use soap and water. I don't really use them to remove my makeup. I use them in the mornings, and it almost feels like I just washed my face. They make my skin feel so refreshed and just make my skin feel so clean without drying it out. The squares are nice and big, super stretchy. These are wipes that I don't want to be without. I love them so much, and I was actually introduced to them originally through Octoly, fell in love with them, and now purchase them myself. Oh, and this 24 karat gold serum was given as a gift with purchase from Maskology. They do that a lot, which I really like. They stuck this in my order for free. I'm always up for a serum, so I was really thankful that they put that extra little freebie in there when I ordered my masks. Maskology usually also includes a discount little coupon when you order, so the masks end up being very inexpensive. I just don't like to spend a lot of money on masks. I just like the way they make my skin feel. I'm always thankful for Maskology for doing that. Okay, this next item may or may not be for some people. I have super sensitive teeth, and I still like to whiten my teeth. I've tried a lot of different toothpastes. I've tried Tom's. I've tried all the kind of natural organic toothpaste, but I finally fell in love with this company, and I love the way they package their little tooth powders. It is a tooth powder, and not everybody is going to like this, but I fell in love with these powders. My favorite one is the one that has the little German-looking man soldier on it with the bare chest. The company's name is Frau Fowler. It's a kind of a mint tasting powder. It almost tastes a little bit licoricey to me. When I'm brushing my teeth with it, it almost reminds me that like I'm brushing my teeth with Himalayan salt. Like I said, it takes a little time getting used to. I don't use the tooth powder the way they recommend it. They tell you to use it dry. I prefer to wet my toothbrush, put a little bit of the powder in the palm of my hand, dip my toothbrush in there, and brush my teeth with it. This tooth powder whitens my teeth, and at the same time it's fluoride free, which is what I wanted. It does not leave my teeth sensitive at all, and I've been using this for 2 years now. I order it online because not every health food store carries it. I am never without this tooth powder. The thing I really like about it is it has really totally changed something in my mouth. I really just don't get plaque buildup anymore. I used to get a little bit of hard plaque forming kind of in areas on the bottom behind my bottom teeth. I have absolutely no plaque in my mouth when I go to the dentist. It is made with organic essential oils of peppermint, spearmint, and wintergreen. I have tried every flavor of it, and this is the one I like the best, but this is my favorite. Another mask purchase that I made was from Double Dare. I love the company Double Dare. I was also introduced to them through Octoly. I love their detox bubbling mask. I've reordered that so many times, and this is a 3-step gold mask. I don't know if you've ever seen me use this before, so I'm actually going to demonstrate it. It's very cool. It's for under your eyes, your face, and your neck. And I really think these masks are reasonably priced for what you get. They come in a 5-pack. This mask is supposed to detox your skin while at the same time having anti-aging properties to help firm your skin and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So the first thing I'm going to do is put on the under eye masks, which feel very cooling. They feel very good under my eyes, and after I take them off, they always make my eye area feel plumper. And then I'm going to use a brush that I use for applying masks, and I'm going to apply the liquid gold mask all over my face and my neck. They always have an ample supply of the product, so I never run out when I'm trying to put it all over my face and my neck. But I'm going to apply this all over. I'm going to then just let it all dry, and I'll come back and take everything off. I love this mask because when I take it off, my under eye area feels more supple and my skin feels like it's been detoxed and it's cleaner. It's never tight. It just makes my complexion look and feel more radiant. And what I really like about it is it comes off in one fell swoop. It never is stuck to my skin. It's very easy to remove. They also supply a little bit of a moisturizing cream after you do your masking. It just makes your face feel so good afterwards. One of my favorite companies. I love Double Dare, and I will be purchasing again from them. This is the Honey Milk Drop Face Wash from Double Dare. I love this! Double Dare has both a honey milk drop body wash. I decided to use their face wash and tested it out. This is probably my favorite product of the entire group of products that I received from Octoly. This honey milk drop face wash is an oil to foam milky cleanser. So when you first put it on the brush, it has a very gel-like consistency, but then when you start rubbing it on your face, it turns into this lovely foaming, sudsy, milky cleanser. It's so moisturizing. It does not strip any of the essential moisture from the skin. It contains naturally derived ingredients. It has honey in it, which hydrates the skin and soothes the skin. It also helps create a glow, and it also contains milk, which delivers gentle exfoliation and helps minimize sebum production. It's super gentle and removes skin impurities, and the formula turns into such a creamy foam on the skin. It rinses off beautifully, and when you do, you have lovely, silky, smooth skin underneath.
I love this I Am Buddy brush. It's a multifunctional brush. It's made out of 100% food grade silicone, which means it's silicone made without any hazardous substances, so it's safe for both your body and the environment. I like the silicone because I feel it's a little bit better when it comes to antibacterial properties. It dries very quickly, it's durable, and it keeps its shape. You can see what's so great about this cleanser. It is free of 11 harmful ingredients: talc, parabens, mineral oil, benzophenone, ethylene oxide, artificial color, hydroquinone phthalates, triclosan, sulfates, and steroids. So I'm going to do a little demonstration of this cleanser. I am going to squeeze it out, and you can see the consistency. It comes out like a gel, and I'm going to use the I Am Buddy that came with the cleanser. The unique thing about this I Am Buddy silicone brush is, I think, how soft it is. It is designed so well. I can glide the little silicone filaments all over my eyelids. It doesn't scratch. It is so super gentle, actually more gentle than my Clarisonic. I would have never run my Clarisonic brush over my eyelids. This I can actually get into the corner of my eyes, and you can see now the gel is turning into more of a frothier, milky cleanser, and then all I do is rinse it off and your skin feels super silky smooth. It does not feel dry at all. This cleanser is super moisturizing. It is the Double Dare Honey Milk Drop Body Wash or Face Wash, and it came with the I Am Buddy, which is the silicone brush. The last product I'm going to show you is a mask that I got from Maskology. I showed you earlier in this video my little haul, and I purchased my favorite stack of masks from them. They're hydrogel masks. So I thought, what the heck? I am going to try to test out their intensive moisturizing rubber mask. I also received this product from Octoly. I'm a huge masker. I mask now a couple times a week. And because of that, I need to find masks that make my skin feel great afterwards, but also are not ridiculously expensive. This mask is a two-step intensive moisturizing rubber mask. It contains hyaluronic acid, which is super moisturizing. Hyaluronic acid works very well on my skin, so that's why I was eager to test out this mask. If you're not familiar with Maskology, Maskology started out in Los Angeles. It's a company that can be traced back to South Korea, so it's really a K-beauty product. So I just opened the pouch labeled Step 1, which is the cream pouch, and I'm going to massage all of that nice thick cream into my skin. This mask would be perfect for me in Colorado because it is an intensive moisturizing mask that's supposed to plump the skin, make it smoother looking, and also help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles by smoothing them out. It's also supposed to deliver the ingredients in the mask deeply into the skin and trap the moisture and nutrients into the skin. Now I opened the rubber mask pouch, and I'm just going to adjust that on my face, around my eyes and my nose and the mouth opening. And this mask really hugs the skin. This rubber mask is made of algae, so it helps cool and soothe the skin, and it also helps provide maximum hydration. So after I take this mask off my face, my skin should look radiant and glowing and be very hydrated. I'm going to leave this mask on for between 15 and 30 minutes. I'm going to remove it, and then I'm going to massage any leftover product into my skin. You do not need to rinse after this. You can just let the leftover product just soak up into your skin. The key ingredients in this mask are green seaweed extract that contains lots of essential vitamins and antioxidants, and also minerals that help keep the skin moisturized. It has anti-aging properties due to the hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid, and it also contains seaweed, which has anti-inflammatory effects that can help treat wounds or any rashes. I liked this mask, but I am a huge fan of Maskology. I have several of their products that are in my everyday skincare routine. If you're looking for a really intensive moisturizing mask, you may want to consider trying this out. It's a great company, and they are reasonably priced masks. The last thing I have to show you in this collective haul are these little double-sided ball earrings. Every time I look at these, I feel like I'm Gollum in Lord of the Rings, talking about my precious little gold ring. But I love these double-sided ball earrings. I get them from one of my favorite Etsy shops, Francesca's Place. She makes the best, sturdiest double-sided ball earrings. They are so pretty. They come in so many different colors, and she runs some great sales. I think the last time I purchased from her, I got 2 sets of double-sided earrings for only $8. So she frequently runs lots of sales, but these are all the colors I have. I love them so much, and I wanted to just show them off. So far, I have them in cream, white, black. I have a double-sided bronze with kind of a copper-looking one. I have Merlot and raspberry, and I have a dark blue one that looks beautiful when I wear denim clothing. So if you get a chance, stop by Etsy, look up Francesca's Place. She has wonderful jewelry. I love all these pieces. I thought I would throw in one hair product. I purchased this off of Amazon from a recommendation from a hairstylist that I'm friends with and I walk my dog with. She said this is one of the best purple shampoos she's personally ever used, and after using it, I absolutely love it. It really tones my hair that I have highlighted, takes away any of the brassiness, and leaves my hair super shiny and feeling really good. So if you're in the market for a new purple shampoo for your gray hair or your highlighted hair, and you're looking for a shampoo to help tone your hair, you may want to just check out Finola. And to end it all, here is my outfit of the day. We have had wonderfully cool nights in Florida, so I've been able to wear lots of my sweaters. Right now, I am wearing a distressed ribbed knit cream sweater. I love the neckline of this and the way it is cut off. It almost looks shredded around the neck and around the bottom of it. These pants are from Walmart. I bought them in like every color they had because they were so cheap and they fit so well. I got these pants 4 years ago, so they don't have them as far as I know anymore. These little ankle booties, I don't know if they make anymore. I got them in one of my hauls last year, but I will link anything I can find in the description box below. This sweater is super soft, but it's slightly thinner, so I just wear a little cami underneath. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye from Marla.